We're gonna see if we got what we needed in the mail. Yo. What we've been anticipating this whole time, just like to finish the brake tug, is finally here. It's finally here. We are going to continue doing the brake tuck. I finally found where I want to route the booster lines, so it's gonna be right there. They're gonna be tucked as best as possible, the two little black lines. Brake tuck. K24 prepped up, blocking everything off, that way I can pressure wash this, the transmission as well. This side needs to be done. We're in luck. The boy hooked it up. Missing piece to the puzzle. So we're gonna head out. Go ahead and put everything together. Trying to get the engine in. Estamos con el copa check. El copa check. Better drop this engine in. Only thing we need to do is, as soon as we have it mounted the way we need it, we just go ahead and put it over and drop it and start connecting everything.
Bro, there's no screw holding that shit.
Oh, it's this one.
Oh. What that one? What is this for show?
That one's from the other day.
Hell nah.
You think it's safe?
I'm fucking up.
I thought it was not.
Yes.
It's tugging or not, we're good.
I thought it was not.
Yes.
And it's fucking sitting straight. It's Better drop the engine into the car. Go ahead and start getting everything buttoned up so we can start getting the shit on the road. On the road. All right. Yep, it's already in, fuckers. The battery died. Then my phone turned off, it died as well. Turned my phone back on because I thought nothing was wrong with it, and it turned right back off. Gotta watch this bit. K24 right-hand drive Integra. We have the little Civic K20 on a Civic. The RBC manifold is actually on the way. I was gonna go with the RC, but it was a little bit hard to find, so I ended up finding somebody that was able to ship it out. As soon as they're able to, well actually as soon as it arrives, I'll be able to put it on. I will be waiting on the gasket, but it's only gonna be a day difference, so it's gonna arrive, wait a day, the gasket will be here, and I'll be able to put everything on. So as soon as I get that, I'll be able to get my fuel rail. The harness that I'm going to use is going to be a Type S harness. That's going to make it so much easier for me whenever I upgrade to maybe a K28 for this car. That way it could be like Type R, whatever. What I'm going to do is make sure that everything's ready for whenever I make that initial purchase. So in the back, we need our exhaust. Our exhaust is on the way as well. Now the piece that I bought is just the headers. It's a 4-to-1, and it bolts up to the stock one that's under there. If it doesn't, then I'll be able to get to a muffler shop and get that fixed. The clutch master cylinder is going to be put on here soon. I do have that clutch master cylinder on the line, and put the slave, have everything bled, ready to go. The water housing with the alternator and the pulley, everything will be installed here soon. My headlights will be here, that and my lip. Okay, so the video was over. What we have is the RBC intake manifold already installed. It's actually just 2 bolts holding the manifold in place. On the next video, you'll notice the manifold's going to be a different color.